conservation works began by removing all the galvanic corrosion from the panel painting surface. This was done carefully and manually with a scalpel. Any area in which the corrosion had been removed was then treated with a corrosion inhibitor to prevent reoccurrence. After substantial testing was carried out, a cleaning methodology was devised in order to safely clean the artworks in a manner that would be appropriate for both the underlying metal zinc substrate and the overlying paint layers. An isolation varnish was applied to act as a barrier and to aid in future reversibility through selective removal of layers. Any losses to the paint surface were then rectified using colored infills in order to act as a vibrant base for the final retouching. The final retouching was carried out on top of the colored fills in order to give a multi-dimensional appearance. There were several areas with substantial loss to the decorative patterns. Any known decorative patterns were traced in order to ensure accuracy during the reinstatement. Final spray varnish was applied to align with the original intended finish of the artworks.